What is up, everybody? All right, so check this out. So we're out in Bertha. Oh, that's loud. We're up here in the mountains. Yeah, we're up here in the mountains on a trail called Monopole. So anyways, we're up here. We're having a good time. We're testing out the Suburban. I've never been up this trail in the Suburban. I've been up here in the Jeeps. We're kind of trying to pay attention to the transmission temperature. Obviously, it's a long, steep climb. I've got a lot of weight in this thing compared to, you know, the Jeep, some of that stuff. So yeah, we're just moseying along, trying to take it easy. It's kind of a longer climb, so it's early morning. Like, we woke up really early, but anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna try to get some footage of this old bad boy, but we're gonna test out the transmission and see how she does. So yeah. Folks, so we've got a problem. I need to call the transmission shop back, figure out what's going on. So anyways, as I'm coming downhill, I don't have my gears aren't stopping me. So I don't know if it's in the transmission, if the torque converter's not locking up. I don't know what's going on, but basically, when I'm going downhill in first, you know, four-wheel drive, low range, this thing is acting like it's in neutral. And this sumbitch is just coasting. So it's kind of a good thing that we're going all the way out the other end, because coming back down this thing, this is kind of wide. But coming back down this thing, it's steep. So I'll be honest with you, if we would have been like heading back down, it would have been a long process, because I'd only go so far, because I'm not gonna ride my brakes that long. But I'm pretty much having to ride my brakes anytime we hit a little downhill, because my transmission or something is not stopping me. So anyways, if you have an idea on what this could be, let me know. Other than that, I don't know how much I'll film. I'm kind of bummed, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. Sometimes you run into problems, but I just feel like that shouldn't have been a problem. So we're gonna take it back to the transmission shop and see what they say. In the meantime, if there's something I can do, I may just look at it, but I'll definitely give them a call next week. I think Friday is gonna be, it's the 4th of July today, by the way. Happy 4th of July. But yeah, this cool little water crossing here. Love it. We got Jake's with us. My buddy Mike, he was here for a minute. And then he says he blew his power steering pump on that Ford Raptor. So anyways, stay tuned. We'll see if we can't figure out the problem. I got no idea. I don't know my transmissions. I don't have service. I can't Google anything right here. So we're just gonna head on out the other side and hope for the best. So stay tuned. If something changes and whatnot, I'll keep you updated. But for now, it's frustrating. I'm glad we're getting it figured out though, because I'd hate for this to happen. You know, being down in Moab on, say, Hell's Revenge Trail, where there's all those ups and downs on that slick rock. I mean, that's just kind of dangerous. So anyways, stay tuned. There might be more, there might not be. I don't know. But it's bumpy. still. Well, actually, we're taking a little side road that's gonna take us up to a little lookout point, but it's pretty tight. Got some pretty tight switchbacks here. So yes, this full size is kind of still doing it. It's tight. It's a smaller trail, that's for sure. A way smaller trail. But we're here, and we're gonna go take Jake out this little overlook. But yeah, I don't know if you saw those butterflies, but holy cow, I've never seen that many butterflies.
This is the angle of that mountainside. That is crazy.
Out in the wild. What's he saying? What's that?
I was just looking at this angle of that mountainside. Is that? I think that's Nebo over there. It's just crazy.
Yeah, Nebo's to the south. Right there that we're looking at right now. Anyways, there's Nebo. Backside of Nebo. There's actually the other road that we'll take over there. So we'll come back down this trail and go up over there. Oh, there's some deer. That was kind of cool. They're still up here on the road. Little mama and her babies. Alright folks, what is up? So, oh, look at all these tracks. Anyways, we got Bertha up here to the top. Old Jake, he likes Bertha. Anyway, so so this is the view up here. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now, I can't remember if I can even turn around down here. So I've only been up here a few times, but I didn't want to. This is a tight squeeze right here. It's not bad. I can still do it, but I wanted to peek around this corner because I'm not sure there's a whole lot of room to turn around up here. So I think I'll just remain back there. But it's a. This is one of them. This is one of them Toyota trails that I could still go on if there's a spot for me to turn around. Hopefully there'll be a spot to turn around. You never know. But there's a mine over there. We'll go walk around there to that next one. I'm not gonna film it, so yeah. Yeah, I don't think there was much of a turnaround, so I'm glad we chose not to. Jake could probably turn around. I just don't know if I could get the Suburban in there. But look at that. Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Fluff your pillow.
Oh, is that the couch?
No one's home. Oh yeah. So everything seems to be working just fine. However, when I'm going downhill, I do not have any sort of holdback. It's like I'm in neutral, just coasting away. Seriously, I don't know what the problem is. I don't know my transmissions, but that's something I'm gonna look into and learn. But in the meantime, check out these views. Here, I'm gonna hold you out the window real quick. Let you see these views. Actually, hold on just a second. Wait till we get past these trees right here. Check this out. Absolutely beautiful up here all year. Actually, I mean it's fairly, I don't know, springish up here in the mountains. Oh look, we got some bikers up here. Yeah. But anyways, so far so good as far as the uphill portions. Downhill portions, I have zero holdback.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.